Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Oh, I am so tired. I've been up for a couple hours, more than I normally am. But that's okay. The show must go on. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Albania, and I prepared fugazi, something like that. Robin was over, and like I told her, and I'm going to tell you, that there is not two recipes for this dish that are even close to being the same. I combined three different versions. By the way, the name fugazi means to saute or fry. Yeah, when you do some research, you learn a lot. I've learned a lot through this adventure. It was really good. It's more of a dip, because a lot of the recipes I saw, that's how they serve it. When I was at the store yesterday, I picked up a beautiful fresh loaf of Italian bread and cut it into nice thick slices, and we just piled it on and just ate it that way. Great! It's a great dish, really. It truly is. When you download the recipe or look at the recipe, go to the website. The link is in the recipe. It has notes in it that will explain a few things, especially in the ingredient list. Okay, so tonight, we are going to Louisiana, to Cajun country. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this one. Tonight, I'm going to be preparing shrimp étouffée. You know how much I love shrimp. So let's get to it. And I got about a half pound of shrimp. These are about, they call them large, but these are more medium, probably 50-ish. Kosher salt, black pepper, flour, and butter for a roux. We're starting off with a roux tonight. That's in the bowl is basically a full pepper. I'm using orange and yellow, obviously. These are leftovers from last night's meal. The holy trinity in Cajun food is bell pepper, onion, and celery. It's not like a typical mirepoix that's like up north on the East Coast. So yeah, this is the holy trinity for Cajun food. Of course, garlic, chicken broth, these sad green onions. I'm probably going to go get some new ones. I should have bought some new ones yesterday. Some parsley for garnish. And the spices, well, technically two spices and one kind of a thickener. Spanish paprika, because I'm out of Hungarian. Cayenne, can't have Cajun food without cayenne. And filet. It's not just used for gumbo. And good old Tabasco, just in case the dish is not hot enough and I want something a little more saucy in heat. I will be serving this shrimp étouffée over long grain white rice, which is very typical. But I'm also going to have a couple slices of that Italian bread on hand. I need a nap. Thank you for all the well wishes and support and love yesterday on my birthday, aka my 1 year anniversary. It was a good day, a really good day. The weather out there is still cold. It's still gloomy and foggy and all that. We'll get through it. We always do. All right, so on this Saturday, enjoy it. If you have the day off, enjoy your day off. I actually have a light day, don't have a lot planned, because considering I've been up since, God, way early. I've gotten a lot done. All right, so have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.